All right, and yeah, go for it.
So we have this ability to make phone calls and talk with computers, and computers can understand us and whatnot. And we also have this issue of waking up in the morning and it being quite abrupt and annoying, and no one likes their alarms. So what if you could have an alarm that was going to talk to you and maybe inspire you with an inspirational quote or ask you some questions to really make sure you're awake? And it's also a little less, or a little bit more personal than just a loud sound. So I used Tropo's voice services, and it's built on Ubuntu. So basically, it's supposed to be set for any time, like you would an alarm, but right now I just have to run it. When I just run my computer, which means I've probably lost my server URL. All right, well, let's hope this works. It looks like that's all the same. So everything that's internet as well. Connected. Let me try this one more time. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I think I lost my URL. So I was using a temporary URL, and I think when I plugged in my computer or let it sleep, I lost it.
Could you get it back?
Here, I see some green. That could be a good thing.
Okay, good.
There we go. Okay. So here's my phone call.
Okay.
You can't hear what it said, but it said, "Are you awake?" Maybe. Okay. So that was a pretty abrupt response. I wish I could answer it on speakerphone. Hold on. Let me see if I can do that one more time.
Okay.
And right now, I guess it's routing through. Maybe. Or tired. How was it?
Then wake up.
So there's also another, I'm going to do it one more time.
Okay.
Because there's also another response. If you say you're tired, then it gives you an inspirational quote. So I just want to demo that, the idea is that it has different responses for different answers. And tired.
Remember the early bird gets the worm.
So I had to limit it to one word because that's what was suggested for the API, but eventually, hopefully, we can have it parse sentences. And you don't have to create a whole new AI for this, but there are AIs out there that can understand, and at least you can kind of restrict the answers based on what they're saying, because it's just to wake the person up. But yeah, that's it. I wish I had more time to develop the response set and make an app for it that you can program the time that it calls you, or even the method. Maybe it's just an alarm by itself, but at least the alarm you have to speak to for it to stop doing it all. So.
Great. All right, thanks, Khalid. I'm going to ask you a few questions. All right. Do you guys have any questions?
Out of curiosity, for the management service for the alarms, you're planning to create it with one of those, I'm assuming, so it's you have a front end for the users to set up.
Yeah, I initially was hoping to make a website because that'd be the quickest, but an app would be probably the best way since it's going to be on your phone. Yeah, you just set your alarm and then it syncs with some database, saves your time and calls you at that point. And also for inspiration, I never said where I got inspired for this. I just couldn't wake up and alarms didn't seem to do anything. So someone calls you and you have to talk and it just kind of gets you going a little bit more. I wrote this down a long time ago, never actually made it, and then I saw this TADHack, and for some reason Google keep reminding me about this idea I had. Sometimes you set things for someday, and you just never let you know when. And then it popped up a few days before. It's this is your idea. So
perfect.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. No, I think that's good.
Good job.
Okay, great. Thanks, Khalid.